How does free coffee sound? Today in Manhattan, Delta Dental and Midi Health are teaming up to hand out coffee while raising awareness about the connection between menopause, oral health, and overall wellness. Joining us are Sarah Chavarria, CEO of Delta Dental, and Joanna Strober, founder and CEO of Midi Health. Sarah, Joanna, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
It's fresh off the cute pink truck out there. So talk to us about why you decided to host this event.
You know, for us, it's about bringing awareness to women about the connection between oral health and menopause and overall health. And what better way to meet women than where they're walking, exercising, working, playing.
Yeah. So from dry mouth and gum changes to bone health and teeth, menopause can have a significant impact on oral health, but many women say they don't even realize it. So what exactly is the connection?
What's so funny is most of us feel it. So dry mouth, changes in how your gums look, how your teeth look, sensation, right? Burning tongue, things like that. So we feel the symptoms. We just don't know that that happens because when we go through perimenopause, menopause, our estrogen levels drop and your saliva production reduces, and that's the connection.
And that is the connection. As I feel suddenly my mouth is drier than it has been all morning. Card-carrying member of perimenopause right here. So Joanna, what kind of support and resources are women looking for during this stage of life?
We think what's really important is they understand there's both preventive care and proactive care. So for all your symptoms, there's a lot you can do with hormone replacement therapy and other medications and supplements that can help take care of the symptoms. We also talk a lot about prevention. And when you think about getting older, there's prevention with mammograms and colonoscopies, and then very importantly, oral health, making sure you get your dental cleanings, because all the preventive stuff that we can do when we're in our 40s and 50s makes a huge impact in our 70s and 80s.
Yeah. Amen. She and I have talked about my affinity for flossing. I'm a serial flosser. Why did Delta Dental and Midi Health decide to partner? Why is this partnership so crucial?
So I think it's really important that women understand that what is happening in their body, it's a full body thing. It's not just the hot flashes, it's not just the nice sweats. This is a full body thing. It impacts every part of your body and very importantly your oral health. And so we think it's important to collaborate, to understand that the screenings that you need to get, that the prevention you need to get is something that is mind, brain, body, soul, mouth, the whole thing.
Right. We have the same goal. We want to bring awareness. Joanna said it. Going to your dentist. 29 million Americans don't go to their primary care physician, but they do go to their dentist twice. That's part of that preventative journey. And we want to partner to bring awareness that include that. Talk to the dentist, talk to the hygienist about the symptoms you're feeling, about what's going on, because it does impact overall health.
Here, 100%. So many things are happening. And I feel like every day a new woman encounters a new symptom or new and what's happening? Delta Dental has enhanced women's health benefits. What does that include?
You know, we've been talking about it for 3 years, so we launched a new product, and that includes extra cleaning. Really, the dentist knowing you're coming in with a women's benefit to kind of close the gap of even being comfortable to talk about it. Periodontal checks, extra x-rays. But the reason we're here is a connection to Midi, a connection to devices, so that women kind of have that one place to look to learn about how can I better manage my health in this area. So we're really excited about this product.
I am too. I would like just one spot, to do the one-stop shopping for all the answers. So you are really doing a public service. Can we get into the coffee and conversation of it all? We started with the pink truck. Let's come back to the pink truck and the free coffee. Tell viewers what, where, how, why.
So honestly, it's not just free coffee, it's also information. We're going to be there, but we also have a number of Midi nurse practitioners who are there. And while it's not medical care, they're there to answer your questions on all aspects of perimenopause and menopause. So if you're curious about why you're not sleeping at night, why you're having some gum pain, is it related to perimenopause? If you're having any joint issues, we're there to answer questions all day. And so it's both coffee and education. And we think that the combination of education and prevention is really what's going to make a big difference in women's health.
And just hanging out with us who are also going through
Thank you.
Exactly.
Come on. Nothing goes better with talk about perimenopause and a nice little coffee.
Exactly.
Well, this was really, really fantastic. I've learned a lot. I'm going to go. I need to know exactly where this is happening because I need coffee.
You need to come get your Midi Health coffee with Delta Dental.
There it is. There it is. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you for having
appreciate
us.
it. All right, the pop-up coffee truck. There it is, now until 3 p.m.